Hello students, today we will study articles. That what are articles, types of articles and uses of articles. A ball, an umbrella, a cap, a mat, a water bottle, an apple. In this, a and is used. Now read the following sentence. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. In this sentence, an, a and the, these are called articles. So what are articles? A and the are called articles. Articles are among the most common words in the English language. They are used before a noun. Where the articles are used? They are used before a noun. Articles are of two types: indefinite articles and definite articles. Article a and an are known as indefinite articles, while article the is known as definite articles. Uses of indefinite articles. Indefinite articles do not refer to any particular person, place or thing. When we are writing articles a or an, they are known as indefinite articles. When we use them, it doesn't refers to any particular person or place or thing. For example, a chair, an elephant, a fan, a temple. It can be any type of chair and any elephant. Okay, so there are 26 alphabets in English language. How many alphabets are there? 26 in from A to Z. In this alphabet, A, E, I, O and U are known as vowels. Rest of the alphabets A, C, D, these are known as consonants. Uses of indefinite articles A and an. Now we will study where the articles A and an are used. An is used before a word beginning with the vowel sound. Where we use the article an? In front of all the words beginning with the vowel sounds or vowel, that is A, E, I, O and U. For example, an apple, an engine. Some nouns starts with the vowel but do not have a vowel sound. They begin with the consonant sounds U. We use A before such nouns. We use A before such nouns. For example, like when we write university, it starts with the vowel U, but when we pronounce it, it is known as U. It starts with consonant sound. So in such type of noun, we write a article before it. A university, a European, a uniform. An is used before some nouns which is begin with the consonants but have a vowel sound. And now an is used before such nouns, some nouns which begins with the consonants, like honorable. It starts with H, consonant, but when we pronounce it, it sounds like a vowel, like honorable, an honorable man, an honest girl. In this noun, H is silent. So when we pronounce it, it is known as honorable man. So it has a vowel sound. Uses of a article. When a word starts with a consonant sound, we use a before such words. We have studied what are consonants. A, B, alphabets A, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. V, W, X, Y, Z. All these are consonants. All the words starting with these consonant sounds, we use article A. For example, a ball, a lion, a tree. Uses of definite article the. Now we will study where the article is used. Read the following sentence. The man standing in the garden is my uncle. In this sentence, the man is about a particular person. The garden is about a particular place. The is used before the particular person and a particular place. Where article the is used before a particular person, particular place. The is used before the names of the river and lakes. Where we use the article before the rivers and names of the river and lake, like the Ganga river, the Sukhna lake. The is used before the names of ocean and sea. For example, the Indian Ocean, the Red Sea. The is used before the names of mountain range and desert. The Himalayas, the Thar desert. The is used before the names of holy books and newspaper. For example, the holy book, the Ramayana. The newspaper is the Indian Express. The is used before the names of historical monuments and important buildings. For example, the historical building, the Red Fort. The important building is the Parliament House. The is used before the superlative degree of the adjectives, like the best, the greatest. The is used before the words like first, only, etc., which tells us about number or position. For example, he took the first place, like he took the first, he came first in the class. The last, he came last in the race. The 45th, the only sister. The is used before the names of things which are of one of a kind, like the sun, the moon, the wind, the earth. There is only one sun, one moon, and the one earth. The is not, where the is not used. The is not used before all proper nouns. For example, I live in Delhi. And the is not used before the uncountable nouns. All those things which are not countable, we use the, we doesn't use the over there. Like my ring is made of gold. I take sugar in my tea. So the students, so these were the several points for the correct uses of a, and the articles.